Whoa, I'm Franken. I'll never be gone, I'll always be there for you. In today's video, I'm at Bethel as always. Bethel Worship Center, you can see right by yourself. Yeah, guys, nothing much I would like to tell you. I would just like to say thank you for the year and the journey that we had 2025 as Bethel Worship Center, as the youth, one of the youth. I appreciate our pastor Jay Makaling and Mrs. Tutuzane Makaling for being with us for the whole year. We appreciate your love. Nani bantabasha, next year let's pull up our socks senze make sure ukuthi siyamdumisa uNkulunkulu ngamandla. Ngithanda ukubonga abantu abadala ebebasikhuza njalo yonke lento. So I appreciate. Let us do better in 2026. Let us enter with the strength, with purpose and guidance. I thank God for everything that He has done for us as a church. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and be notified. Go well in 2026. Stay blessed.